Okay, so we're going over the C3 pressure switch, which is this component right here. Mounts up right here on the control module, like that. And it gets pressure from inside the control module. The resistance on this is 20,000 ohms or higher with no pressure activating it. If there is pressure, then it will be 2 ohms, no higher than 2 ohms. So this meter goes up to 6,000 ohms. So if I do not get a reading, then it has passed. Okay, so I do not have a reading, so we're going to say the pressure switch is good and exceeds 20,000 ohms.